Clearing a table in a restaurant should be done professionally, efficiently, and discreetly to maintain a pleasant dining atmosphere. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to properly clear a table. Step-by-step guide to clear a table in a restaurant. Wait for the right time. Only approach when all guests have clearly finished eating. Politely ask, "May I clear your plate?" To acknowledge them you are going to clear the plate, otherwise you might clear some unfinished plates also. Clear from the right side. Clear used dishes from the guest's right side, using your left hand to carry and right hand to collect, in many service styles. Use a stacking method carefully on your arm or a tray to avoid dropping items. Always use tray to collect glasses, cutleries, soft drinks cans or other small items. Remove in the proper order. Plates, main course, starter, etc. Cutlery, glassware, condiments or bread baskets, if finished. Table decor or crumbs, if necessary. Avoid overloading. Do not stack too many plates or glasses at once. Make multiple trips if needed to avoid incidents. Use a tray or side station. Place used items onto a tray or service station instead of carrying them all by hand. Crumb down the table, if required. Use a crumbing tool or napkin to gently remove crumbs between courses. Wipe and reset table. Once the table is clear, wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth. Sanitize if needed and reset it with fresh cutlery, napkins, glasses, and table decor. Take items to the dish area. Separate trash, napkins, straws, from dishes. Scrape food scraps into the trash or compost bin before stacking dishes for washing. Check for forgotten items. Look for left-behind belongings, phones, wallet, and notify to manager if found and hand over to lost and found department. Be quiet and courteous. Avoid clinking noises. Maintain a pleasant demeanor and smile. Don'ts for table clearance. Don't reach across guests. Don't clear while guests are still eating. Don't stack plates too high. Don't scrape or stack at the table. Don't bang or clatter dishes. Don't use dirty cloths. Don't ignore spills or crumbs. Tips for efficiency and etiquette. Teamwork. Clear larger tables with help from another server. Watch for allergens or leftovers. Dispose of food properly. Observe guest signals. Don't interrupt conversations or rush guests. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more hospitality tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and share with your friends and others.